In today's world, where heart disease and kidney damage are common health concerns, the idea of using natural foods to boost health is more relevant than ever. This video goes beyond simply listing superfoods. It dives into how each of these foods works to improve cardiovascular health, support kidney function, and even enhance athletic performance. By adding these foods to your daily routine, you can protect your heart, improve circulation, and even repair damage to vital organs. The video provides not just knowledge, but practical steps on how to make these foods a regular part of your diet for lasting health improvements. Moringa's Rapid Impact Hook. Imagine being able to lower your blood pressure in just 2 hours with something as simple as a leaf. That's the power of moringa. Moringa is not just a trendy superfood, it is a powerhouse with scientifically backed benefits. The leaves of the moringa tree are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene. These antioxidants are known to fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, both of which are linked to heart disease. But what makes moringa truly remarkable is its ability to lower blood pressure quickly. Studies show that it can lower high blood pressure in just 2 hours, providing a rapid and natural way to manage hypertension. Moringa also stabilizes cholesterol levels and improves circulation, making it an excellent choice for heart health. Asparagus for kidney health hook. What if one of the most common vegetables could repair kidney damage and help protect your heart at the same time? Asparagus is the answer. While asparagus is commonly thought of as a simple vegetable for adding flavor, its health benefits, particularly for kidney health, are often overlooked. The plant contains tannins and saponins, both of which are known to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds play a critical role in repairing kidney damage, especially damage caused by nephrotoxic drugs, such as certain medications used for long-term treatment. Healthy kidneys are essential for overall heart health because kidneys play a key role in regulating blood pressure and removing waste products from the body. By supporting kidney function, asparagus helps to reduce the strain on the heart, which is why it's a natural remedy for both organs. Beets boost performance hook. Beets are not only good for your heart, they can help you go the extra mile in your athletic performance. Beets have become a staple for athletes due to their high nitrate content. Nitrates convert into nitric oxide in the body, which dilates blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. This effect leads to enhanced oxygen delivery throughout the body, making muscles work more efficiently. For athletes, this means increased endurance, better muscle power, and improved recovery times. Beyond athletic benefits, beets are also heart healthy. They help lower blood pressure and improve circulation, which is why they are often recommended for individuals seeking to maintain cardiovascular health. The benefits are so profound that beetroot juice has even been studied for its role in enhancing endurance and physical performance in sports. Pomegranate's antioxidant power hook. Want to protect your heart? Pomegranates offer 3 times the antioxidant power of red wine, naturally. Pomegranates have long been considered a symbol of health, and for good reason. They are packed with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols like punicolagens and anthocyanins. These antioxidants fight free radicals in the body, which helps to reduce inflammation and protect the cardiovascular system. Pomegranates have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and arterial stiffness, 2 key factors in heart disease. Research suggests that pomegranate juice, in particular, can improve blood flow, lower cholesterol levels, and even reduce the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. While the sugar content in juice might be a concern, the benefits far outweigh the negatives when consumed in moderation. Pomegranates provide a natural and potent way to boost heart health. Fatty fish for omega-3s hook. Just a few servings of fatty fish a week could lower your risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular function. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory effects that help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering levels of triglycerides, reducing blood pressure, and improving blood circulation. They also help prevent the formation of dangerous blood clots that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 stabilize heart rhythms and reduce the risk of arrhythmias, further protecting cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of fatty fish has been linked to improved cholesterol levels, reduced inflammation, and better overall heart function. Leafy greens, essential nutrients for the heart hook. Greens aren't just for healthy digestion, they play a crucial role in supporting cardiovascular health and detoxification. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are often overlooked as mere sides or salad fillers, but they are essential for heart health. These vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The high fiber content in leafy greens helps lower cholesterol, regulate blood sugar levels, and improve circulation. Additionally, the nutrients in leafy greens, such as potassium and magnesium, help maintain healthy blood pressure. These vegetables also act as natural detoxifiers, aiding in the removal of toxins from the body and keeping blood vessels relaxed, which improves overall cardiovascular function. Regularly incorporating these greens into meals is an easy and delicious way to support long-term heart health. Cruciferous vegetables detox power hook. Want to give your arteries a natural detox? Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts can do just that. Cruciferous vegetables, including broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and cabbage, are packed with a compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane has been shown to help protect arteries from damage by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation. It also aids in improving blood vessel function by promoting the production of enzymes that protect against oxidative stress. These vegetables work as natural detoxifiers, helping to flush out harmful toxins from the body. By including more cruciferous vegetables in your diet, you can enhance arterial health, improve circulation, and reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. Herbs and spices, nutritional powerhouses hook. Think garlic is just for flavor? It's actually one of the best natural ways to improve heart health and reduce blood pressure. Herbs and spices are more than just flavorful additions to meals, they are rich in health-boosting properties. Garlic, for example, contains allicin, a powerful compound that has been shown to reduce blood pressure and lower cholesterol. In addition to garlic, other herbs like turmeric and ginger provide anti-inflammatory benefits that help improve blood flow, reduce heart disease risk, and protect against oxidative stress. Herbs and spices enhance the bioavailability of nutrients in the foods they accompany, making them even more effective when prepared and consumed correctly. For instance, letting chopped garlic sit for a few minutes before cooking maximizes the production of allicin, which enhances its health benefits. The video highlights the undeniable impact that simple dietary changes can have on heart health, kidney function, and overall well-being. By incorporating these superfoods into your routine, you're not just improving your heart, you're protecting vital organs, enhancing athletic performance, and reducing inflammation. These foods are backed by science, offering natural and effective ways to boost cardiovascular health and repair kidney damage. With practical advice on how to incorporate them into your daily meals, this guide offers an accessible path to healthier living. By making these superfoods part of your diet, you're investing in a longer, healthier life.